Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Google announced that Google Pay and Google Pay Send will merge. Google Pay will also include boarding passes and event tickets. The updated Google Pay app is rolling out now. Today, Google announced a handful of features for Google Pay that might finally turn it into the company's one-stop-shop mobile payments app for Android users. Currently, folks use Google Pay for NFC payments and Google Pay Send for peer-to-peer money transfers. With the update, you can use the main Google Pay app to send and request money. You can also use the app to split the bill with up to 5 other people. Google Pay Send, meanwhile, will fold into Google Pay and be laid to rest. The second upgrade is support for boarding passes and event tickets. Google teased the additions shortly after its developer conference in May and said Ticketmaster and Southwest will support the feature from the get-go. Places like Eventbrite, Singapore Airlines, Vueling, and others will support the feature soon. Google boarding passes and event tickets will provide real-time information and change if your flight is delayed or the opening act changes to a different band. They will also live alongside your loyalty cards, gift cards, and offers in Google Pay's new Passes tab.